Alright, this is gonna be an awesome video. We got the Sur-ron against the 72V BBSHD. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. We got an exciting video for you guys today. Today we got the Sur-ron against the BBSHD. So we got the Sur-ron right here. Moj is riding the Sur-ron, and this is the BBSHD, but this is not the regular 48V BBSHD. This is the 72V one. So we got Dan over here. Dan, you gotta tell us about your bike over here?
Yeah, so basically we got a stock BBSHD unit. We still got the nylon gears in there. We'll see how long they last. We got the phase runner. So the phase runner lets you run 72V or anything above 52V basically. And then we have the 72V battery in here, and that is a 20S 4P Tesla cells. So it's putting out 60 amps, and then in the motor, the controller is giving the motor 85 amps at the phase current.
Wow, this is gonna be a close one. So, and Dan also helps us out with custom 3D printing. Dan, you want to tell us about that?
Yeah, so I help these guys design and print out parts for different EVs and different custom projects they got going on. It's a lot of mounts, a lot of covers. It makes the build a lot easier, and we do it with a combination of different materials: carbon fiber, nylon, ABS, polycarbonate, as well as PLA for the testing. We have a number of printers that we work with as well. So if you guys need something for your own custom project, let Golden Motors know, and we can help you out.
Yeah, we'll put Dan's email in the link below. Thank you, Dan. And then Moj is riding the Sur-ron. So Moj, tell us about the Sur-ron, man.
It's the stock Surron like you've seen in the couple past videos. You just simply green wire. So it's pretty stock. The only thing we've done is put a 48 tooth sprocket on there, and it's 60V with 90 amp discharge.
Okay, so it's 60 with a 90 amp discharge, and then we got the 72V with the
60 amp discharge on the battery, 85 in the top phase current.
Oh man, so this is gonna be a close one. This is gonna be a close one. All right, Moj, you ready?
Yeah.
Dan, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start with the acceleration. I'm gonna give you guys the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! But before we get into that race, let's try the stock BBSHD with the stock Sur-ron. So this one is running a 52V battery, and the controller is drawing 28 amps. And this one has a stock firmware on there too, so it's not been unlocked. And Riz is riding the stock BBSHD. What's up? What's up, Riz?
Not much. How about you guys?
Good, good. And Moj is always hogging the Sur-ron. So Moj is riding the stock Sur-ron, again 60V, and the controller is pulling 90 amps on this one. All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, I don't know what happened over there, but that was too funny. It was on the, oh, okay, it was on pedal assist 1. That's what it was. Okay, let's try that one again. It was on, you're on pedal assist 9 now?
Yep.
Okay.
Not one anymore.
Moj, you ready? All right. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, another angle for the torque test. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now so the stock Sur-ron and the stock BBSHD doing a rolling race. Once they hit that line, they're gonna throttle up. Okay, now we're doing a top end speed race. So they had a rolling start. Okay, so that was a stock BBSHD 52 volts, and you saw the Surron ate it up for breakfast. Let's get on with the 72 volt BBSHD. I think this one's gonna be much closer. Let's do it. All right, Moj, you ready?
Yeah.
Dan, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start with the acceleration. I'm gonna give you guys the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Moj got a pretty good start on this one. But I think that 72 volt BBSHD can do better. Let's try this again. All right, so we got the 60 volt Surron against the 72 volt BBSHD, but the Surron has a bigger amp discharge on the battery. But I think it's gonna be a close one. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, this time they're doing a rolling start. They're gonna be even until that line, and then they're gonna gun it. All right, this is gonna be a close one actually. Let's see. There you go, they're gunning it. I think the BBSHD took that one. That was a close one. This one we're checking top end speed. There they come.